have been waiting for this. I'm Angelina, and I am a LUS lover. I've been using this product for quite some time now, and the thing about it is my life is really busy. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a mom, I'm active in my community. I do not have wash days. I do not have a whole day to deal with my hair. I need to get in, get out, and know that my hair is going to be healthy and taken care of for the week. And LUS has been actually it's kind of allowed me to reclaim my time, as they say. I have been using this brand from inception, and it's something I use exclusively. I absolutely love it. So I use the shampoo and the conditioner in the shower, but I also use the leave-in when my hair is out, but particularly when my hair is in a protective style. Don't come for me just because my hair is looking a little bit stressed. This is a practice in authenticity. I purposely left my hair in this grown out protective style on purpose to kind of tell you guys about a couple fun ways that I have played around with the product and made the product, I guess you could say, an all-around hair care thing for me. So when my hair is out, I jump right into this sulfate-free shampoo. This shampoo is remarkable. It's amazing. It does not dry out your hair, but your hair feels squeaky clean, but not in that like weird way in terms of you feel like all the oils are gone. It penetrates right down to your scalp. It is amazing. So we start with the shampoo, then I jump right into the conditioner. Now the conditioner it's next level. And it's really interesting because, you know, typically when you're detangling your hair, you wait for the leave-in conditioner stage. But this conditioner, you actually start to finger detangle in the shower with just the regular conditioner, which I've never had before. You'll see that your hair starts to bounce back. It starts to bring back its natural curl. Prior to LUS, I had never experienced my curl pattern like this before. It was always a bit frizzy, some parts were straight. It never really sprung up like it did. So even if you're coming out of straightening your hair, flat ironing your hair for a week, and you jump back into your hair care routine, this is going to bring back your natural curl like nothing else. And again, the holy grail, this all-in-one, this is bae. This is everything. LUS has, I guess you could say, perfected the leave-in conditioner for kinky coily hair. I love it. When I have my hair in a protective style, I add this to a bottle of water, a spray bottle of water, and I spritz my hair daily. I believe it actually helps your hair grow because when your hair is moisturized, it protects it from breakage and you retain your length. Absolutely love this stuff. So this 3-step system, let me get it lined up for you. This 3-step system is my holy grail. I have been using it for about 2 years now. And I've been saying it has been great for me. My sister's on it, my mom's on it. They've been hijacking my product. It is amazing and I love it, and I really recommend everyone to find your curl type. And again, 3-step system. Kinky-Coily is mine. There is wavy and curly. Definitely find your type and you'll fall in love with it too.